Your movie, you're taking a movie.
But you do have infection in there, so.
I mean, that's a good thing we hit the right spot, right?
Mm-hmm.
Oh, it's another cut.
Yep, another cut. Yeah.
So we're in the right area now, right?
Yep.
Because I thought I was getting it to kind of pop a little wheelie there.
It's a good thing you got that glove on. Because it felt like it was over on the other spot.
She could have cut it all the way down
Well,
to
I
the
think
bone.
they'll move, won't they?
Yeah,
Move back
because I
and
was going to
forth.
say I was feeling it, but probably it rolled.
That looks gross.
Such an odd feeling you tug. And it sounds like wood, but it's not. It's probably just meat. Is that the black shit right there?
Mm-hmm.
There, you got it. Look at that.
Oh my gosh.
See, I wasn't lying.
No, I knew. I could feel it when
Awesome.
I was like...
That makes me feel so much better now. I wish I'd have done that Papa Wheelie method right off the bat.
I know. Sorry, now you got two cuts.
Yeah, it's cool. Because, no, like, I was doing it, like I
So
said.
are you not
I
going to
can
sew one up?
I can sew that one.
Okay.
But it was like,
I'm going to